Okay, this is measurement lesson 4, part 1. Our new skill today is going to be working with precision and uncertainty. Okay, so in the last lesson, we talked about accuracy, and it's making sure that when you measure something, if someone can come along right after you, use the same measuring device and get the same answer. That's an accurate measurement. So, what is precision? So, like accuracy, precision is related to exactness, but it is determined by the limitations of the measuring instrument. So, for example, if your measuring device is marked off in centimeters, that is as precise as you can measure. Your answer will be to the nearest centimeter. A measurement made with a ruler marked in millimeters would be more precise than a measurement made with a ruler marked in centimeters. Basically, how precise your measurement is limited by the degree of your measuring device. Because of the limited precision of a measuring device, there is always some uncertainty. Okay, this is when your measurement lands in between the markings on the ruler. For example, if you're measuring a box with a ruler marked in centimeters and it is slightly less than 6, you have to say that it is 6 centimeters long. So what they're saying is the ruler doesn't have millimeters marked, just centimeters. You cannot give a more precise measure than this because of the units of the measuring device. Now, to address that problem, you can calculate the uncertainty. So it is often necessary to record how much uncertainty exists in a measurement. Unless stated otherwise, uncertainty is given as half of the precision on the measuring device. For the box example given above, the length would be 6 centimeters with a precision of 1 centimeter and an uncertainty of half a centimeter. And measurement uncertainty can be written as follows. Measured value plus or minus the measurement uncertainty. In this form, the length of the box would be 6 centimeters plus or minus half a centimeter. That is between 5.5 and 6.5 centimeters. Okay, so I'll just draw a diagram here. They're just saying this is your ruler. Okay, let's say halfway is 6 centimeters. And you're just measuring, let's just say a box here. And it kind of lands somewhere there. Okay, just a little bit ahead of the 6 centimeter mark. And let's say the next increment is right there, and that's 7. Okay, so this is 6 centimeters, this is 7. What they're saying is because there's no marks in between the 6 and the 7, we are limited to a precision of 1 centimeter because that's the increment that it goes up by. There's nothing in between. The uncertainty is going to be half of our precision, so 0.5. So the answer for this would be this box is 6 centimeters plus or minus half a centimeter. It's kind of like the words give or take. When someone says, oh, it's 6 centimeters, give or take, right? The same idea. And this measurement would still apply if the box fell just short of 6 centimeters. Okay? So, what you can be sure of is when someone gives you this measurement, you can be sure that it's between 5.5 centimeters and 6.5. That's what you can be sure of. And that is the end of lesson 4, part 1.